your car. I say opposite. You need to race it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fabtown. Today I'm going to be pulling this turbo manifold back off, finish welding it, along with some other fabrication stuff. I was able to get this thing running last night on the stock ECU. I figured out why I couldn't get it running on the Link ECU last night as well. I didn't realize that you have to route the MAF plug back to the Link ECU and plug that in, and then, I don't know, it's got some crazy shit on there. But a lot of things I didn't know about that, but now, once I get all this stuff fabricated and finished, I'm going to try and get that plugged back in and see if I can start it on the Link. So let's get started on welding this manifold all the way out. We did, what did we do? We buttoned up a bunch of stuff.
So we did the angle kit, fixed that.
We didn't really fix, oh, we just tightened it.
We got everything
We had everything
bolted
kind of like
and
mocked up.
Downpipe.
We did it down, oh, I did the full exhaust.
Full exhaust.
I didn't fill up any of that. Shit. Full exhaust.
Bled the brakes.
Bled the brakes, which is good.
We're trying to figure out the wiring for the fans just so we can get them mocked up, but that's not really that big of a deal.
This car doesn't have a thermostat in it.
So yeah.
So if it's moving down the road,
doesn't matter.
It probably won't matter that much.
Yeah.
It does have a giant intercooler blocking it. So we'll work that as we get to it. So we're getting the 18s off me, and the 18-inch wheels have a little bit different offset than his fuck wheels, which I am getting, which is dope because I like these wheels and they're gonna look fucking killer on my Z.
And I'm possibly still in those because he has like 9 sets of wheels. By the way,
I have lots of wheels, but that doesn't mean he gets to steal.
Oh no, it does. I get to steal them. We're good.
Anyway, putting these wheels on here.
Short guy.
It's a tow arm.
Tow arm.
That's,
there you go.
Man, that was a struggle.
It's those fucking mules.
We made a whole new tow arm because Quentin bent his last one.
You know, no big deal.
So, just make one. Yeah. So once he gets that 5mm spacer, we'll be able to bolt up the front wheels, double check everything, and then my buddy's coming down to street tune it, which is fucking dope. And choo-choo noises, and it's going. That's what it's gonna do.
Also, Quentin has his ECU situated, and all the lines. There's no more boost leaks, so as soon as the tuner gets here, it's actually going to run pretty fucking well.
Listen, he just loves me for my ethnicity.
Yes, that's why I live with you. And that's you pay your bills on time. We're good.
Yeah, well, most of the time.
Most of the time.
But even when you don't, you just pay them back and they're fine with it. That's white privilege. I'm trying to get my shit all pumped up and dumped up. Humped up and crumped up. Shumped up and shumped up. And crumped up and mumped up. It's my rap. I know it's crap.
You rap?
No, I'm not good at rapping, obviously. I just like, what the why is there 5 million Coors cans on my BMW? It's a high quality piece of equipment here, and they just treat it like a slut.
We have a wild Charles ass. And it's natural fucking habitat. He twerks, everybody. This is a B-roll that no one gets to see.
She's out of the shop.
Under her own power.
Look at that. Look at that intercooler.
The intercooler. All right. This thing is out under its own moving, driving weight. Huge victory. Huge win. Quentin actually genuinely told me one day he never thought it would drive again. So that's a good thing that it drives again. My buddy is coming down to tune it. We're going to pull the fenders and stuff off that because we do not have that squared away yet. Plugs yet. Probably should do the plugs.
Yeah, we should do that.
Now, I don't really want to do the plugs, but we should probably do the plugs. Because I know he's going to ask us, what are the plugs gapped to? That's like going to be the third thing he says. So, Maybe if we can rally the team here. I'd snake no airplane. Need a hot wire to
the alternator.
Alternator.
So why are you what's the word? Outsourcing the electrical problem?
I don't feel like doing it.
So the tuner guy showed up.
Because like right now the O2s are bad on it, so like,
And after we're finished with all this, we'll talk about like his company and stuff. But we're kind of busy right now.
On 21.
We thought we had a bad injector, but we don't. Turns out we don't. It seems to be idling super good now, so that's good.
Crispy.
He's over here working his magic on the computer.
Dude, it's idling so good.
It is.
It helps to plug all 6 injectors in. That thing's fast.
He's blowing away. Holy shit. That's crazy.
You can hear the mid-range. As soon as he hits the fucking throttles. Oh, it sounds so good. Oh, it sounds so fucking good, dude. Wow. It's fucking sick. We got the plugs down to 16,000.
Hey. Share your mouth. You got a knife hand.
We got the plugs down to 16 thousandths. It was having some weird random like breaking up issues. It's pretty much gonna be spark though, because anytime that you hit that much boost into 1JZ with that style of coil pack, they pretty much are not adequate in order to They don't have enough spark energy for that much boost, so it gets blown out. So what we did is I gapped them down to 16 thousandths. They were pretty big on some of those, like some of them were like probably 20, 25, but 16 should definitely help out. That's a purpley bluey boy.
Oh, it's perfect.
What do you think of the purple with blue blues?
Very nice. Like Woo! Fucking bounce, fucking.
That's a spoolie boy, you know?
Nice.
Ooh. All right. So sorry I didn't close out the video yesterday. We were busy. The car's great. It's actually on the trailer right now. We are headed to a private drift event in Washington at Evergreen Speedway to test the car out. It fucking slaughtered. Eric killed it. That thing sounds fucking insane. I'll put a clip of it driving by after this little cell phone clip. It makes 23 pounds of boost at 3,500 RPMs. If that doesn't blow your fucking mind, I don't know what does. And we actually proved or disproved the theory that that turbine housing would be too small for that car. It does lose a little bit of boost up top. I'm talking at like 6,500 RPMs, but it actually only loses 4 PSI. 4. I held up 3. I meant 4. Yeah, I mean, it makes us, Eric was saying it might have a little bit higher cylinder pressure because that turbine can't spool as fast. However, who cares? That thing is fucking insane and lights off like crazy. It's fucking crazy. So, we're gonna go test it. Like I said, I'll leave a clip of it going past me in the Beamer after this. Can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Please leave us a comment below. We'll see you again. Peace out.
Next time I see you, I'll make sure you see me leave. Next time I'll make sure it hurts you more than me. Next time, the next time I won't be so nice. Oh, now you see me different, that's